Hi everybody, how's everybody doing? Today I'm going to be fixing a 2008 Honda Civic Hybrid. I hope everyone's doing well. So this particular Civic, it has a vibration on a warm-up, things like that. So let me show it to you guys how the symptom is. As you can see, seems like it's more on this side, the vibration. You can totally hear it. It's more prominent, and I don't know if you guys can hear that. It has more of that buzzing sound, and it feels like there's something is off, you know what I mean? So what I'm gonna do is check the top engine mount. Usually that's the culprit on this car, so let's check that out. There, I put it on reverse. There's more vibration. You can hear that. So we're gonna try to fix that issue. First that I wanted to check is actually the engine mount on the top. As you can see, there is a substantial movement on this engine mount. Yeah, it's moving in and out, so I think I can even shake it with my hand. But anyway, we're gonna replace that. It's not supposed to play that much. Yeah, let's replace that. All right, well, let's take that engine mount. This is the driver's passenger side, I should say, and let's get it going. All right, everyone, so before you begin, you gotta put a jack stand underneath the car to support the engine. So I'm gonna be using something that you guys always have, which is your jack stand to support the engine mount. That way it doesn't drop. Remove all the 17mm on top. There's 3 of them. Those 3 17 nuts on the side, and then this is that that we're going to be removing. So remove the 10mm ground, and then you remove a 12mm and a 14 right here on the side. Right here on the side, 14mm. Holding down this bracket right here. There are 2 17 right here, one here, and then one right here. I took it out already on the other side. 2 17. So once you support the bottom close to the oil pan, this is how you remove the actual engine mount sideways. That way you'll have room. There you go. So this is the culprit. As you can see, this one is depressed down already compared to the new one. The hydraulics on it, it's pretty way up high. So big difference between these two. So always compare when you're putting a new one in. I got this from Amazon. They have a good return policy. So yeah, that one's pretty beat right there. It's depressed for some reason. This one has a better height. Big difference. As you can see on the old engine mount, the support was actually leaning here. As you can see, it's so shiny. So it's to the point where when the engine is on it, the level is just so flat that when the engine sits here, it resonates that sound, that vibrating sound. Now before you zap everything, make sure you align that little there's a hole right here on the back end of it. Make sure those things align together. If not, they're not going to sit flush together. So just put everything back in reverse order. 2 17 on the side. Tighten them. I don't know the torque spec, but make sure it's tight enough where you don't break the bolts. Put everything back, and we're almost done. Also pay attention to the 2 bolts. The short one goes on top, and then the long one goes on this side, towards the engine side. Okay. Also, don't forget to put the 10mm grounding wire. Alright guys, so don't forget to put back everything. The 12 millimeter right over here, the 14 millimeter on this side right here in the bracket, and the 12 right over here on top. Just button everything up, put everything back. Also remove the AC line holder right here earlier to push more on the side. But anyway, let's start off the car and hopefully it'll turn out. Hopefully the vibration will be gone. So guys, as a bonus on this video, I have bought a trim molding from Amazon that's about ½ an inch thick for $11 with shipping. If you have this issue right over here, cover is torn or it flew off or it's flapping, you can actually replace it for under $11. So it's so easy to do. Just measure it and clean up and put it in. Just cut a little notch on the new one, just like that. That way it fits on the top because it tapers on the top. So that's it, and just measure it, the length, for under $12, because I think Honda dealer charges like $30 for this, maybe even more, and it's a pain in the butt to put them on, and this one is just a stick-on. So basically this is just a cover. It doesn't really do anything but aesthetic look. So let's put it on. Fraction of the price just to cover the molding. That's it. Went ahead and also did the other side, so came out okay. Not so bad, not so bad at all. All right, so now let's start off the car on a cold start. All right, there it is, everyone. No weird vibration, no weird sound, no vibration in the mirror, no vibration over here. It's smoother. So anyway, the part costed $50-60 including shipping, prime 60 plus, more or less less than $65, and it's quieter. Idle's good, no weird sound. So I'm quite happy with it. I mean, if you guys have that weird problem where it seems like the car just, there's that resonance of inside the cabin, chances are it's your top mount on the passenger side. All right, so I guess that solves my issue. That's a cold start. Earlier it just really loud. All right guys, until next time, keep wrenching. Please be safe out there. And if you haven't done so, please subscribe if you can. And until next time, God bless everyone. Bye.